Hello everybody and welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today in this ultimate C++ programming course, already we talked about in previous video what is recursion and what is recursive function. In this video we will talk about some coding exercise on recursive function. In this case I want to jump to dev C++ and do it practically. The first program will be that from user it will take a number, for example 555 number or 32 number. Now what will be the output of number? I mean the logic of number will be that the first number 5 will plus to the second number 5. This 5 will sum to the second 5. After that it will sum with 3, that's 3, and after that 3 it will sum to this 2. Now see, and equal to 5 plus 5 is 10, 10, 3, 13, 13, 15. Now see the result in programming. For example, first do it yourself. If you don't know, then come to the value, right? Okay, for example, my dears, okay, I want to start. For example, we have function by the name of int sum. We have function, it has also a variable by the name of, for example, int num, and after that block of codes, and here I have a test condition. If num is equal to 0, if it becomes 0, return what? 0. Because if it can become 0, it will be 0, right? But else return, because it's int, return me what? Return me num module by 10, num module by 10 plus some function, and after that num divide by 10. This is the logic of how it works, right? First this number, whatever pass the user, it will divide by, module, whatever it become remainder, then plus some function that we call, it means this function call itself. If I want to run, for example, some function, and I want to pass 5 3 2 that we pass here. Okay, if I want to pass here 5 3 2, what will be the output? The output will be nothing, because it return, and return something we have to use cout. Now see the result. Sorry, not this one. See the result 10. Why? Because 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. If I pass here this number, copy and paste it here, what is the output here? 15. See, program can find 15. Yes, fine. But if I want in runtime, for example, int x and cn x and simple pass x, see the result. For example, 2 to 3, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 5 10, and 10 plus 4 is 14, and the output is 14. The first program was that, my dears. I hope you don't have any questions and any problem here. The second program that it is, for example, we have two choices. The first choice is that I want to give you $10,000 one time, but the second choice is that one day, first day I will give you 1, after that it will become 2, after that 2 will become 4, 4 will become 8, 8 will become 16, 16 will become 32, right? 32 will become 64, Now in this case I want to find that, for example, how 10 days, after 10 days, what will be the money of me, right? How much, right? In this case what you have to do, it is just simple. I have a function by the name of, for example, money, right? And that money have its own parameter. For example, it has x. Simple. X will be the amount of day, right? How much day. And after that I have if condition, I mean base condition. If x is equal to 1, if the day become 1, it means that it's 1, right? Return 1. But after that return me what? Return me to check by money function in x minus 1. Now see the result. If I pass here money function, here we call this function, and that is called recursive function. That function call itself. If I want to call money function and I pass here after 10 days, how much will be my money? Semicolon. And the output say after 10 days your money will be 512. If someone said that 30 days after, it will be, wow, how much? This one, right? If I want to write 100 days after, it will be 0, because in this case I want to use, for example, 50. 50 is also 0. Why? Because I want to use long. Now what will be the output? Now this is fine, right? Wow, large number. If I want from user, for example, inty and cny and pass here y, simple. After how much days? 33 days. What will be the money of me? Wow. Now choice is in your hand. What you want? In one time, $10,000 or no? Another choice, right? If I want to comment this one and try it again, see, we have nothing. Why we have nothing? Wow. Okay, this was for this video, my dears. In this video we talk about 2x coding exercise. It was the first one, right, and the second one. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something from this video. If you enjoyed the video, like the video and share it to your friends, and as well leave your comment, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, my viewers. I will see you next time.